Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Rachel. This is my friend.
Hi, I'm Fiona.
Look at this canvas bag. It's simple, fashion, and eco-friendly. It's an essential part of our life.
Yeah, today we're going to show you how to turn this ordinary bag into a fashion one.
High quality begins with the fabric. We use high-density canvas, so the quality is guaranteed.
Yes, and the material is super durable. So you can see we got high quality texture, and isn't it look stunning? The size of the bag is very important in our daily use. And as you can see, we've got small, medium, and large size. Of course, if you want, we can customize any size for you.
Such as pouch bag, makeup bag, instant bunny bag, you can use them for work or school.
So, how do we print this sublimation bag?
Let's have a look.
First, design and print the pattern. Second, cut the pattern and fix its position with high temperature tape. And then adjust the machine temperature and time, about 180 degrees, 60 seconds. Then place the bag on a heat press machine for sublimation printing. At last, remove the pattern, peel off the sublimation paper and display the design. Wow, look at this product! The colors are vibrant and you can customize your pattern on it. What's more, the product will never peel off or fade. Our bags aren't just good looking, they can easily handle everything in our daily life. So let's do a test. You can see this is a laptop and a logo, a magazine. Okay, this is a water bottle and our phones. If you require large-scale production, that is no problem at all. Our extensive manufacturing facilities ensure constant quality for every single bag. Our factory specializes in the production of dye-sublimated fabric products and offers a comprehensive one-stop service, ranging from the supply of raw materials to the customization of finished goods.
Fast delivery is our promise. With massive stock ready to go, we ship your orders faster than anyone else.
With 15 years of research and development experience, we provide precisely matched one-stop sublimation solutions for brands worldwide.
Our company has obtained authoritative international certifications, including ISO 9001, CE, BSCI, and SGS, to ensure that our products are stable and reliable.
Okay, that's all for today.
If you want to know more about sublimation products, follow us or visit our website. We can give you one-stop service.
Yes, see you next time.
Bye-bye.